Hi guys! Today is an International Beer Day. So I'm here in 7-Eleven. I'm going to buy Sunmade flavor beer for the International Beer Day. And I have to, according to my special friend, good friend, Manong, I have to try the Sunmade lychee flavor. So I have to look for Sunmade nga lychee flavor. Ako i-try. Kani 62 pesos, no? So I have to try for the first time this Sunmade flavor lychee. Sunmade flavor lychee for the International Beer Day. Wow, it really tastes like lychee. Very lychee. Love it, love it. Now my new favorite, aside from apple flavor, I go for lychee, recommended by Manong Marvin. Yummy and delicious. Cheers.